All right, you guys want to learn about dog body language? Watch her tail. Okay. Not happy with him. Not happy with him. Watch her tail. Watch how stiff it gets. Burley, come. Down. Quarter, come on. Now she's happy. There's a good tail. I'm happy. We're playing. Good. Let's watch again. Burley, break. Not happy. He's up. She's a little happy. She's coming back. She's happy. She's going to play with Daddy. Sees him coming. Tail changes. Good girl, Mitty. I'm not worried about her getting him necessarily, really, because she's not going to drop that Frisbee. That reaction is not enough for her. We're happy. He's stalking. Stocky behavior. Stocky behavior. Watch her tail. Playful behavior from him. He wants to play. She does not want to play. She's faster than him all day. So she doesn't care. See ya.